On Thursday, took down trees in the Oval and near the Laurie Student Center in Fort Collins on the CSU campus. Officials were concerned about the danger and decided to close the campus today.
We want to get to your reporter, Kennedy Cook, live in Fort Collins, and Kennedy residents are on cleanup duty this morning.
Yeah, I mean, as you all mentioned, CSU's campus, they closed yesterday. They're also closed as of this morning. It's been pretty quiet. Guys, we stopped by King Soopers in between our hits here on CBS Colorado Mornings. Someone told us to stop by Sherwood and Oak Street to get a look at this. This massive tree is completely down, blocking the entire street. You guys, I hope you can see the gravity of just how big this tree is. Now, we did speak with the residents of the house where the tree fell, and they didn't really want to go on camera, but they said this happened around 10 o'clock last night. They said the ground, the walls, the floor, everything was shaking because of how loud of a boom this massive tree made. And even just driving through Fort Collins from campus to King Soopers, even right here, there are tree branches all over the place, just scattered because of those high winds and the damage it's causing here in Fort Collins. Now, we haven't seen a tree quite this big down. Again, the residents of this house here didn't really want to talk on camera, but they did share with us that this kind of startled them and they can't really leave their house, right? Because it's blocking the entire street. So just one example of what Fort Collins is waking up to, Brian and Michelle. We will continue to be, I feel like I'm a tree investigator now. I'm watching all the trees here happening in Fort Collins, and we'll continue to be on the lookout for those, you guys. We just have to show you, again, just one example of the damage that those high winds are causing.
Oh, yeah, that is a lot of damage, and that's going to take some time to clear out for that street, too. But luckily, everyone is okay. Kennedy, thanks so much. Your reporter, Brian Sherrod, is tracking the